The subject of today's video are my 7 best Google ad tips that will make you more money. Hello, my name is Don Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. I am a student of John Crestani, Devin Brown, and Anthony Morrison, and I want to pass on to you what works for me and what does not. These are my 7 tips for creating effective Google ads on a small budget. Number 1, set a clear objective. Before you can get specific with your conversion goals, you've got to think of the big picture. What are your overall business goals? Who is my customer? What are their needs? What problem can I solve for them? What are your advertising goals? How much can I spend? How much can I afford to lose? How many sales do I need to break even? Ideally, your goal is to make $2 for every $1 you spend on ads. Once you've got clarity on those things, you can narrow in on what your actual tactical action plan is. Let's say you're an affiliate marketer for an Amazon book selling training course, and you want to sell 1,000 courses in a year. You then take all the good headlines and ad copy from your affiliate and your affiliate's competition websites, and then you can take good headlines from any email swipes your affiliate might offer, and you can incorporate all that into your ad. 2, figure out your target audience. Your target audience is one of the most important elements in your Google Ads campaign. You need to know who is meant to see your ads. Your ads are structured to appeal to your target audience, so you need to know who that is first. To figure out your target audience, think of your ideal customer. Many businesses make personas where they can create different types of people in their target audience. They use these personas to structure campaigns that appeal to these different types of people. For instance, men or women, children or senior citizens. When you think of your ideal customer, what do they do? When do they go online? What do they use to conduct searches? And what are they seeking? These are important questions to ask yourself as you figure out the target audience for your pay-per-click ad. When you figure out your target audience, you can create Google Ads campaigns that are better for them. 3, optimize keywords. Less is more. Use the Google Ads keyword planner in tools and settings. Now, for example, let's say you search a key phrase like sell books on Amazon. Then click on the average monthly searches and check off the top 20 to 30 keywords that would apply to your exact customer that you are trying to reach, and then paste that into your ad. It is best to highly target the best 20 to 30 specific keywords and not fall into Google's trap of adding hundreds of keywords, which become highly costly and highly ineffective. Also, keep your broad matches to only the top 1 or 2 most searched keywords. Then label only the following 4 to 5 most searched keywords to phrase match. And finally, the balance of your 20 to 30 keyword list to exact match. So you'll have 1 or 2 broad searches that are the most searched keywords. Then the next tier down is 4 to 5 phrase matches. Then that would be the next search volumes. And then finally, last, the rest of the search volumes, lower search volumes, you list all those to exact match. Number 4, even as important as listing keywords is to optimize negative keywords. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is to ensure the integrity of your Google Ads campaign is to utilize negative keywords. By telling Google what your product is not, you prevent your ads from showing on keyword searches that don't align with the customers you want. For example, if you're selling a training course on how to write and sell books on Amazon, negative keywords would be to exclude anyone who wants to sell his old used books for cash. Number 5, what devices, mobile, computer, or tablet? If you're on a tight budget, try choosing computers only and go 100% negative on mobile phones and tablets. After a week or so, crunch your sales numbers and see if you can afford to start with a 30% positive on mobile phones. And unless you're a heavy hitter, tablets should be turned off 100%. Now I know mobile phones play a huge part in Google Ads sales, but the return on investment can be very negative when starting up an ad. So be careful here until you see some success, and then gradually open up those mobile phone percentages. 6, what countries should I run ads in? Now the top 5 countries are the USA, Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, and New Zealand. If you want to be highly conservative, initially do the USA and Canada only. Then start to branch out when you see some positive action on your ads. For those who are very successful with the top 5 countries, you can also try Ireland, Israel, India, and Singapore, because English is very strong in those countries. And finally, number 7, setting your maximum cost per click and daily ad spend. If you are starting with a brand new ad and do not want to get burned, set the daily spend to between $10 and $20 max, and the max per click to 50 cents to no more than $1. Also, you want to keep checking your landing pages every now and again in Google Ads. Click on the landing page and go ahead and submit your order or put in your email or whatever you need to do to get a click, and then see if that click registers in ClickFunnels or wherever you get paid. It's imperative you do that to make sure all your links are working. Now I hope this Google Ad guidance, which really barely scratches the surface. There are probably over 100 tricks and tips you can use on Google Ads. Well, I just hope this helps you increase your sales of your product or service. Now you can learn much more about Google Ad tips in the Partner with Anthony marketing course. I am enrolled with Partner with Anthony training system, and my coach is Anthony Morrison, and he is a giant in the online marketing business, and he has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels $2 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's Complete Affiliate Marketing Video Training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get this world-class online training from Anthony Morrison, click on the link below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you next week with a new video to your continued success.